If you want to download CapCut 1.5.0 on your computer, this video will walk you through the process step by step. I'll show you exactly where to find the older version, how to download the installer safely, and how to finish the setup on your PC. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the Uptodown CapCut versions page. You can simply search for CapCut Uptodown versions, or go directly to the page if you have the link ready. Once the page loads, you'll see a list of available CapCut versions. This is where you need to scroll through and look for version 1.5.0. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct version, because there may be several different releases listed one after another. When you find version 1.5.0, click on it to open the download page for that specific release. After that, scroll a little further down until you see the download button. This is the button that will give you the installer file for CapCut 1.5.0. Click Download and choose a location on your computer where you want to save the file. The file should download as an exe installer, which is the setup file for Windows. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where the file was saved and double-click the installer to run it. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to allow the installation to continue. Then follow the on-screen prompts carefully. You may be asked to accept terms, choose an install location, or confirm a few setup options. Just keep clicking through the installer until the installation finishes. After that, open CapCut from your desktop or Start menu and make sure version 1.5.0 is installed correctly. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed CapCut 1.5.0 on your PC. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.